Hi friends, welcome back. We have been making many COVID-19 related travel videos for different states in India. We also made a video for covering almost 17 states at a time. It's a service online website from central government which covers almost 17 states, and some states are not covered in that, and Telangana is one of the state. So this video is for traveling inside Hyderabad as well as traveling outside Telangana. So if you wanted to travel from Telangana to any other state, this can be made use of. And if you wanted to come back to Telangana, please refer to my other videos which I have already posted of your corresponding state. So let us quickly see how to raise a pass for traveling inside Hyderabad as well as coming out of Telangana. In the Google search, you can search for Telangana Police Pass. Okay, give the same string, and here under this, if you scroll down, please select this option, not the first option. Remember, not this first option, this is wrong, and select the second option where it says COVID TS Pass. It will take you to same, but the second has more options. So make sure this is the URL you are getting in your website. You can do it from mobile or laptop or anything. This is the correct URL. Okay, police and then Hyderabad COVID pass.html. So if you scroll down a little bit, you have many options. Almost 6 options are there. We are not going to use all the options. We are going to explain you mainly 2 options. One is within Hyderabad. For traveling within Hyderabad, friends, please select this option. Click here. Or if you wanted to travel outside Telangana, you select the next orange color option. I'll just show you the first and second option. So this is the option, orange color option is for traveling outside Telangana. Okay, so these are the 2 options we are going to explain in this video. So first let us click on this link. I'll not take much time. This will be a quick walkthrough. If you wanted to travel inside Hyderabad, you click here. So you have only option of Hyderabad here because it is traveling pass inside Hyderabad municipal corporation. Okay, so they have clearly told this is a citizen essential pass. So if you click on the proceed button, you have only Hyderabad to select here. I have already told you this is traveling inside Hyderabad. Okay, I'll show you after this traveling outside Telangana. If you click on proceed button, it will take you inside the web page where it shows the details option, like all your address, all the details you are going to fill in here. So this is the place, all the applicant personal data you need here. I'll just quickly show you what are the important things you have to know. Important one, this is one of the important thing, need pass. Why do you need pass? If you click here, it will give you this many reasons: death or medical emergency or other business related, animal care. All these are under your pass travel category. And the purpose, you have to attach the purpose document. Okay, if you cannot just say that this is the purpose, there should be a document which you have to choose file and attach it. You can attach maximum 500 KB, and you have to select your vehicle, required pass for vehicle or individual. This is one of the another important option. And if you scroll down, you can see the route details. So I clearly told you this option is for traveling inside Hyderabad, and first option will be by default Hyderabad commission rate. And if you select to where, this is the 2, you can see these are the only options. There are only 4 options because you are traveling inside Hyderabad. And you need to select the 2 police station also. In the 2 place where is the police station, you fill all your details including your current address, correspondence address, and from when to when you need the pass. You can see here, this is from and this is to, and from is like from starting date of the pass and ending date of the pass. And pass validity, if you click, you have 3 options: morning 6 to 6 p.m. you need, or 24 hours you need. You select accordingly. And friends, please give all your details here: address, current details. And there are 2 attachments you have to make. One is your photo and one is your KYC document. Okay, so if you scroll a little bit up, I will show you what are the things come under KYC documents. If you take select out the KYC type, you can see here driving, Aadhaar, PAN, voter ID, a lot of options are there. Any of this will do for your KYC document. And also you have to upload what is the purpose of your travel, purpose document. Once it is done, click on save and generate acknowledgement. It will give you an acknowledgement ID. Now this is the option for interstate travel, inter-district travel in Hyderabad. Now let us see the orange color option, which is very important if you wanted to travel outside of Telangana. Okay, so this is like go out of Telangana state. So this is the option second I am going to explain now. So go out of Telangana state, click on this option, interstate or inter-district. It has mentioned, but it is for interstate travel, and go out of travel, there is no option to come into Telangana in this video. And if you click here, you can see here the page has loaded, and it says for interstate group movement. So this can be used for group as well as individual, don't worry about that. Now first you have to select here where you belong to Telangana now. For example, say I am in Hyderabad now and I wanted to move out of Telangana. I select Hyderabad here, click on proceed. Now if you scroll down, please as you have already seen, please all the details friends, like individual type, pass holder name, contact mobile number, emergency mobile number, Aadhaar number. Give your emergency mobile number to someone else, not yours. And the reason is very important: pregnancy, death, medical, standard labor, standard student, tourist, families. If you are a student or a worker or family, select accordingly. Okay, for example, family means select standard families. And here you select only one option is there. You can select group, don't worry, later you can mention whether one person or multiple person. Now as of now you select it as group, only one option is there, required pass for a group. And once it is done, select your KYC document. You can see here RC, passport, Aadhaar, driving, a lot of options are there. Whatever document you have with you, select it. And your vehicle type you have to mention. By vehicle you are going here, two-wheeler or four-wheeler, give the vehicle registration number here, and after that friends please mention your route details, like from where you are going. You can't change, it's already Hyderabad in the beginning we selected, but you have to select the destination. And in Hyderabad you can see which police station limit you are following as of now. Okay, now you are staying, and you select your destination. For example, I wanted to, a lot of all the states are there in out of India. For example, I wanted to travel from Telangana to Karnataka. I select Karnataka, and under Karnataka which district. If it is Bangalore, you select Bangalore urban, and then mention other details of your Bangalore address. This is the Bangalore address, that means destination address. And route, in route you can mention 1 2 3 comma comma. Okay, you can mention your travel route, mainly 2 or 3 places through which you are going, and you pass validities from 2 and how long you need the pass. So if you click there, calendar will come, you click on the date from and to, and validity is like 24 hours or 6 to 6 or morning 6 to 6, you mention it. You can take it for 24 hours safer side if you wanted to travel. Okay, now below the if you scroll down a little bit, you can fill all your address details. So this is the address detail of your current Hyderabad or Telangana address. Okay, this is not the destination address. Destination address you have already filled in. This is your current address in Telangana state. Okay, for example, in my case Hyderabad, so I will be mentioning my Hyderabad address. And you can see here the state is already Telangana, it's by default it comes, and fill your PIN details. And if you scroll down, transport details, you can see here vehicle seater, which vehicle seater you are, 5, 7 or 9, whatever you select it. And then this is the place where you are going to say it's a group or individual. If you are alone, you select 1. If you are C2, when you select 2, you can see here name and address, Aadhaar number of 2 person you have to give here. By default it comes. I select 1, I am a single person, only one column, only one row you have to fill in, name and Aadhaar number of the person who is traveling. If you select 2, better fill 2. Now you have to upload 3 things friends, photo, KYC document and purpose document. For each document you have to click on choose file and upload it. Okay, make sure the file size is as per mentioned. See, I have uploaded here. It can be photo means only 80 KB is allowed, KYC is maximum 500 KB, and purpose document is again 500 KB. So make sure the photo or attached document will fall into this size, otherwise it will be difficult, especially from mobile. You can do it from PC also. Now enter your CAPTCHA here and click on save and generate acknowledgement. See, it is done, success. I got an application successfully submitted. I got a reference number. You will get a message SMS also on your mobile. See, this is the SMS. So that means things are done. Note down your acknowledgement number. Through this number only you are going to verify. If you come back to the home page, you can see here a green place where click for citizen print pass. If you click here and give this acknowledge number what you have received and click on submit button, you will come to know the status. This is how you check the status of your application online. See, for example, click on submit. It says your request approved or rejected. The reason will be given there. So friends, I'll wish you all the happy journey, and you take care of all the things while traveling, like mask, your hand sanitizer, all those things. If you like the video, please give us a like. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel also. Thank you very much. See you with another video.